Hello.
Hi, this is at the Safeway at 14th and Killmer. Is this cross street, and my physical address is 6220 East 14th Avenue. Was wondering if we could get an officer right away over here to do a drive-by. I have another customer that has left the premises, but they reported an individual in a gray silver Cadillac who is still sitting in our parking lot, a black young male with a white hoodie, and the customer that witnessed it and saw it said that this gentleman has a gun.
Okay.
That he saw him with a gun.
And he's in a gray Cadillac and he has a white hoodie on?
Correct. And he's sitting in the driver's seat of it. It's a four-door silver Cadillac.
Stop right there.
Stop.
Why do I have to stop? Because we got a call that you have a gun.
That I have a gun?
Yes.
What are you talking about?
Just keep your hands up, sir. That's fine. We're just going to check it out.
I'm speaking plain English here,
Okay.
okay?
Hands behind your back. Just put your palms together. Interlock your fingers. Put your palms together.
Okay.
There's
My
nothing-
palms are together, sir.
Your palms like that. There you go.
Figure it out.
Okay.
When we get a call, if we got it, this is how we have to do it.
This is ridiculous. You know I work for the city?
Okay. We don't know that, sir.
Okay.
We're just trying to figure it out. Okay.
All right.
We're just going to pat you down and make sure you don't have any
All right,
weapons
pat
or
me
anything like
down.
that,
I don't have any
sir. What
weapons.
is your first name, sir?
My name is Naphtali Israel.
Naphtali. Okay. Mr. Israel, we're going to check you out.
Why would you get a call that you had a gun?
I don't know what the hell's going on. I was in there shopping. My little girl could not keep the mask on her face. So I sent my 14-year-old and the other two to the car to sit down and wait for me to finish food shopping. As far as a gun, I don't know what the hell's going on.
Okay.
Somebody in the parking lot
We'll
told
check
her.
it out. So we appreciate your cooperation. We're going to try to figure this out. So just thank you. Thank you for your time. We don't know what's going on. We're going to make sure it's safe and to do everything as far as precautions. But all the information came out that we got. Match your description with this vehicle.
This is ridiculous.
Well, and that's what we got. That's all we got. I can even show you the notes.
Ridiculous.
So, all right. So I'll stay with him real fast.
Okay. All right.
I'll stay with him real fast,
Okay.
and then you go with Sarge. So, yeah.
I've been in the store the whole time.
Well, and
I
then
paid for my kids' candy, and I sent them back to the car, opened the door for them, sat them down in the car, and went back in to finish shopping.
Yeah, I don't know.
This woman, I heard her talking to a white lady, and the white lady's like, yeah, I called the cops because there's kids outside in the car. And I was like, hold up, wait a minute. My 14-year-old and my kids are outside in the car. Let me go out there and find out what the hell's going on.
Right.
You know, I just got
Did you have a confrontation with anybody or anything?
I didn't have no confrontation.
Nothing
I didn't
like that?
argue with nobody, nothing.
Yeah,
This woman was in the store the whole time I was in the store.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna take these off here.
I
mean,
don't
these are
understand
these.
what the f is going on.
That's what we're just explaining. We just got a call.
Our dispatch got a call from Safeway saying that a patron described your car to a T and you that you were in the parking lot with a gun.
That's a straight lie.
Okay.